Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you are managing multiple teams, you can organize them to best suit your needs. To change the order of your teams in the list, click on a team name and drag it to its new location, then release the mouse. To edit a team, click the More Options ellipsis to the right of the team name and select the Edit Team command from the drop-down menu. In the Edit Team dialog box, you can change the team name, description, and privacy settings. When you are done making changes, click the Done button. To hide a team while keeping all its contents, click the More Options ellipsis to the right of the team name and select Hide from the drop-down menu. To locate a hidden team, click the Hidden Teams link at the bottom of the teams list to expand the hidden list. To unhide the team, click the More Options ellipsis next to its name and select Show from the drop-down menu. The team will once again appear in the teams list. To delete a team and all its contents, click the More Options ellipsis next to its name and select the Delete the Team command from the drop-down menu. Then check the checkbox to confirm you understand that all the contents of the team will also be deleted, and then click the Delete Team button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.